Hello guys, I'm a Japanese YouTuber. In fact, I'm not confident to call myself a YouTuber because, like last month finally I get 100 subscribers for my channel, but it's still, 120. It's just my opinion, but if I don't get like over 1,000 subscribers, it's not enough to say I'm a YouTuber. But anyway, it's not the point of this video, so we can move on. As you guys already noticed so far, as you guys already noticed from my speaking so far, yes, I'm a stutterer. A stutter is a kind of speaking impediment, like when we want to say something, the phrase or sentence and what we want to say, and then they are in my brain, but it doesn't come out from my mouth. It's like blocked at the throat and lungs, and then like that. It's very severe problem for us. So like even me, since my childhood, I have been suffering from this problem a lot. When I had something to do, it did not allow me to do. Every time I was hesitant because of stutter, because there's a group in the school. I really want to join it, but I can't do it because I was afraid of stopping their fun time. I mean, they are enjoying the conversation, and then if I go there and then I try to say something, but if I stutter, I will make the conversation stop. It's horrible for me. So every time I kept a distance from my friends and anything, the stutter was killing me and destroyed a lot of opportunities, and that's enough to make me depressed and upset because I cannot do what everyone can do. In the homeroom class of the primary school, the teacher calls our name to check the attendance, yes. Then it's okay enough to say yes or I'm here, and in Japanese way we say hi. It sounds much easier than English, right? But for me, it must be easier, but for me I wasn't able to do it. I was like hi. It seems weird, right? And then my friends and students began to laugh, and then teacher asked me, "Do you forget your name?" I closed my world, and then I started to pay attention that all my speaking says that. And I felt a lot of loneliness because I thought it was happened only to me because there was no internet. I didn't have a smartphone, I didn't have a PC of my own, so any tool to search for it. So actually it does not happen only to me, right? I don't have a clear data, but 1% of the all what the well, I don't have the clear data, but it said 1% of the world population having the same or similar problem. Of course, there's severe one or lighter one, but yeah, we have stammer or stutter, and Japan is not exception too. We have a lot of people who has a stutter, and some of them losing or giving up their dream because of the stutter. We are afraid of communicating and making the friendship and relationship, and then some of us got social phobia or anxiety disorder. And in my case, I wouldn't like to show up my weakness and this stutter problem in the front side and seen by anyone, even my family and even my friends. I've always kept it a secret because I'm sorry it might hurt your feelings, but it's just a shame for me. So then, since I was a high school student, I dedicated to heal or get better my stutter totally for 5 or 6 years, and until now. Mindfulness, smooth tongue, treatment trauma or learning and speaking new language, because I've heard someone's experience who is not stuttering anymore in another language like English, right? And now I'm studying English and Italian. And it's fortunate that gradually my stutter gets diminished. In fact, I'm not sure that which approach was working to my stutter, or it would be I kept myself to speak with someone or to put myself in the social place and then keeping like get used to be in the social place and speaking. So I think it will be help me. But actually I don't know the specific reason how I got better. I'm sorry. But only what I wanna say here, I wanna say today is it's too early to give up your life. You can enjoy your life even you have a stutter. And today I made this video because I wanted to know how you guys feeling about the stutter, and then like in general, like your friends or your family, how they think about it, and also how you treat your own stutter, kind of like that, and also your dream. I really want to hear it. So if you watch a video and if you give me some comments or feedback, I really appreciate it. And here is a big news, not for you, just only for me, but like I'm attending to Stutter World Congress 2019 in Ireland from the 21st to 27th June, this June. So if the guys watching this video and then you attend to that congress, please like meet me and like have like chatting and exchanging some information about stuttering, or like what's your dream, or what you're gonna do, or what did you do for your stutter, or something like that. So I really love to meet you. So actually this is the main purpose to make this video before the congress. So anyway, ciao.